Jerisa, who is your patient for today? Squishy ball. So today we are making squishy balls, right? We're gonna be making red squishy balls, right?
We're gonna do blue balls tomorrow.
Jerisa and everyone that's watching, we have PVA glue.
Let them smell it.
Can you guys smell it?
Let's-
Oh, you got my nose. Hi guys. Ay, ay, ay. So we have some glitter, right? Oh, she has my nose again. So sad. Thank you for giving my nose back. So we have glitter.